Have you ever wondered what goes into making the parts that keep our world moving? Whether it's the machines that power our industries, the vehicles that transport us, or the countless other products we rely on every day, everything starts with the right materials. And one of the most versatile materials out there is 1215 carbon steel. At its core, 1215 steel is a low-carbon alloy that's perfect for a wide range of applications. So, what exactly is 1215 steel used for? From gears and shafts to fasteners and pins, 1215 steel is an essential component in the manufacturing world. Its machinability makes it a popular choice for parts that require precise and intricate machining. Advanced Grinding is proud to offer precision ground 1215 steel round bars that are perfect for any application. Our state-of-the-art centerless grinding process ensures that every bar meets exacting standards for precision and quality. Whether you need a small quantity or a large order, we have the expertise and equipment to deliver the round steel products you need. For a reliable source of 1215 steel, look no further than Advanced Grinding. Contact us today to learn more.